In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. If today is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. For those of you who don't know, Pinterest is easy to use and getting traffic on this platform is easy. YouTube is my first choice. Second is Pinterest. So you can promote your blog website, your business, your services, and best of all, it's good for affiliate marketing. This is one of my Pinterest accounts. As you can tell, I have 525 views, and this is an all-in-one digital marketing tool. When I go back into my system and I check, I can tell I'm getting some leads, but when I dive deep into my analytics, I can tell some of the traffics are coming from the Pinterest platform. Because of that, I've decided to take this thing seriously. Let's get started. We need to find a product to promote. You can use ClickBank, but I know ClickBank is not accessible to certain countries. Don't worry, you can use Digistore24 instead of ClickBank. This is the platform, and I have tutorials on the two of them. I'll drop it in the description box. You can check them out. But in this tutorial, I will promote a video editing app that I have on my website. This is an app and it helps you to remove silence from videos and podcasts. I want to promote that, and I have my affiliate link here, and I have a 10% discount code. And on top of that, I have a video if you want to watch it. I'll use Canva to create the pin. Canva is a free graphic design platform, but if you want fancy stuff, you have to subscribe to the pro version, but the free version is good enough if you are just a beginner. Click in the search engine and type Pinterest pin, click on it. These are the Pinterest templates that you can grab any of them and just edit them. What I'll do, because I want to promote a short video, I'll click on create blank. On the left, click on element. I want to create a pin about video editing. I'll type here video editing. All right, I can drop this in here and extend it, and I'll change the background. Let's see, this is the background color. This is a color picker called Colorilla. I'll click on it to pick it up, and I'll hover just to give me the color. I'll hover again so you can see the name Colorilla. I'll go back, click on the color background, click in the box and drop it. Then I'll just click it. This will be the background, but if you don't want it, you can just exit off and go to color and click on add new color. Actually drop, scroll down, and you have one color or gradient. I'll use gradient. This one isn't bad. I'll go with this. Go up here on test and click on the default style, and I'll move this up, and I'll say remove insist and do podcast. I'll reduce it a bit, remove silences here from video and podcast. You can zoom it or reduce the size or stretch it up. Effect, outline, and I will give it white, and the shade I will just push it to, let's say, 100, or you can change the color to red if you want. This isn't bad, and I will say 10% off. Let me see, discount. Let's see, I have 10% off. I'll use it. I really like this, but later on I'll come back and I'll add a short video on top of this, or I can create another pin again. But I'll just double click this and I'll say edit lenses in from video and podcast. Then I'll add Pinterest. This is for SEO purposes because I want to promote this on Pinterest. And you know what, let me try and add some cloud. I'll say cloud. This one, yeah, this one is better. I'm gonna download it and download. I'll go to Pinterest, top left, click on the Pinterest menu and click on create pin. In here we're gonna upload and add some text. Click here to choose file. This is the file, and click on it and open. Bam, it looks nice. I have to give it a title. I'm gonna go to this blog post and I'll copy this, right click, copy, and as you can tell, I did not copy everything. Go back, drop it here. I want to tell you something secret. When you go back here, I'm trying to rank on Google, but sometimes when, let's say, I copy this and dash and drop this here, sometimes when people see this, they can go straight to any search engine and type it and go straight to the vendor's page. So in that case, you will not earn your commission. But in this case, it's because I have the 10% discount. I'm not worried at all. I'm not bothered. So I'll leave it like that. This way, it's going to help me to rank on Google, at the same time rank on Pinterest. I'll say recut, put it into bracket. I need to add a description, so I'll go back, and what I'll do, I'll just copy. So I'll copy this, Control C or right click, copy, go back and paste it. If you're gonna drop direct affiliate link, let's say from Amazon, Impact, Digistore24, ClickBank, and JVZoo, whatever, that you have to enter and just create a certain line and put affiliate this. Then you're gonna add your disclosures here, saying the link below contains an affiliate link. When you use it to purchase any item, I'll earn a small commission from the vendor with no additional cost to the original price or something like that. But in my case, I'm not going to do that. And the reason is I want to direct the prospect to my article. I'll copy and I'll go back and drop it here. With this, I don't need to add the affiliate disclosure. Second thing is when you are directing people to your blog post, which is the reason why Pinterest was created in the first place. They love it. They enjoy when you are redirecting people to your own blog post or your own website. But if you don't have it and all you have is your affiliate link, they don't want you to use link shortener like bit.ly to shorten your link. It's not like a crime, but they don't like that. They want readers on this platform to know where the link is directing them to. That's the purpose. But like I said, if you don't have a website but you want to use direct affiliate link, I would advise you to drop the direct affiliate link here, like from anywhere, even if it's long. But this is the best option for them. Like they love this one. Board, I'll click on this, and I don't have video editing board. I'll create one, and I'll name it video edit, because this is a strong keyword. Keep this board secret. You want to keep it secret to share with a group or somebody, or if you're an agent and you want the person to have a view of what you've created for that person, you're gonna keep it secret and share the link. But in this case, I want the public to see. So I'll click create. As you can tell, podcast and video editing. Tag, I will say video editing podcast editing and record app, which is the name of the product. If you want to publish it later, just check this up and schedule it. I don't want to do that, or more options, but just leave this the way it is. And I don't want to schedule it, I want to publish it right away. When everything is done, just click on publish. View it. This is it. Sorry, this is it, and it's gonna give you related pins. Let me check this first and click on, then I'll pin it, save it. That's how you pin, and you can do as much as you want, especially when you're a beginner, just so you get the attention that you deserve. I'll hover over this and click this, the arrow down, and save into this pin again. When I go back to my profile and I scroll down, let me just reload this. This is my pin, and the pin that I just pinned from the other person, when they view it, mine gonna show as well. That's how you go about these things. And I posted this a day ago. I have 29 views, clicks on my pin. This 9 clicks on my pin. This is how you use Pinterest for affiliate marketing. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.